Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials: battery at least 50% or connected to the charger, and the official USB-C cable in hand. Insert a compatible micro SD card and format it if it's fresh so the device recognizes file systems. Once done, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until the startup animation and indicator light appear. You'll hear a soft tone. That tells you the system has initialized and is ready for first configuration. Next, connect the Panda Touch Pro to Wi-Fi and sign into your account so updates and cloud sync work. If a firmware update is offered, install it now, let the device restart, and don't unplug during the process. After updates, go to Settings and run the touchscreen and stylus calibration. Follow the 9-point prompts to align accuracy. Make sure sensitivity and palm rejection settings match your workflow, because proper calibration prevents drift and improves handwriting and precision. Finally, tailor the device to your habits. Set up shortcuts, gestures, and display brightness so the interface feels immediate and natural. Once settings are ready, back up your configuration and files to the cloud or micro SD and enable automatic backups to avoid data loss. If something goes wrong, try a reboot first. If touch accuracy persists, redo calibration. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but only after you've secured backups, because that clears user data and restores defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.